While everyone chases BMW's most famous M engines, some of the most reliable and capable power plants BMW ever built are being completely overlooked. These 5 engines don't get the hype, but they consistently reach 200,000 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance and offer serious performance potential for the money. Stick around to the end, because knowing which engines these are can save you thousands and completely change how you shop for a used BMW. Number 1. N52 3-liter inline-6, 2005 to 2015. The N52 is BMW's last naturally aspirated inline-6, and it's an absolute masterpiece that gets overlooked because it doesn't have turbos. This engine powered everything from the E93 28i and 330i to the E82 128i and Z 430i, producing between 230 and 255 horsepower depending on the application. What makes this engine special is its magnesium aluminum construction and the fact that it's near bulletproof and reliable when maintained properly. The engineering behind the N52 is remarkable. BMW used a magnesium engine block to save weight while maintaining strength, and the Valvetronics system eliminates the need for a traditional throttle body. This creates incredibly smooth power delivery and excellent fuel economy for a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder. The double Vano system is much more reliable than earlier versions, and when it does need service, it's straightforward and affordable. You can find E93 28i models with this engine starting around $8,000 to $12,000, which is incredible value for what you're getting. The N52 has a linear power delivery that feels completely different from modern turbo engines, and it loves to rev high-mileage examples regularly hit 300,000 miles, with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. I've personally seen N52 engines with over 250,000 miles that still run like new. The modification potential is seriously underrated. With a cold air intake, tune, and exhaust work, you can easily push these engines to 300 horsepower while maintaining their legendary reliability. The naturally aspirated design means no turbo lag, no intercooler heat soak, and no complex boost systems to fail. Companies like Dynan and Turner Motorsport offer proven upgrade packages that transform these engines into serious performers. What really sets the N52 apart is its character. The sound of a naturally aspirated BMW inline-6 is something special, and the N52 delivers that classic experience without the maintenance headaches of older engines. The power delivery is predictable and linear, making it perfect for both daily driving and spirited weekend runs. It's pure, honest BMW engineering at its finest, and values are only going to increase as people realize what they've been missing. Number 2, M42 1.8-liter 4-cylinder, 1990 to 1996. The M42 is BMW's DOHC 4-cylinder that powered the E36 318IS, and it's one of the most overlooked engines in BMW's lineup. This little 1.8-liter produces 138 horsepower in US specification, but don't let the modest power numbers fool you. This engine is incredibly robust and has massive tuning potential that most people never explore. The M42 represents old-school BMW engineering at its best: simple, reliable, and built to last. The M42 features a cast-iron block with an aluminum head, dual overhead cams, and 4 valves per cylinder. It's a straightforward design that's easy to understand and work on, making it perfect for enthusiasts who want to learn about BMW engines. The timing chain setup is robust, and unlike many modern engines, the M42 doesn't have complex variable valve timing systems that can fail. You can find E36 318IS models with the M42 for as little as $4,000 to $7,000, making them some of the cheapest ways to get into rear-wheel drive BMW ownership. The M42 is known for its durability, with many examples easily reaching 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The engine responds incredibly well to modifications, and with basic bolt-ons and tuning, you can push these engines to 200-plus horsepower without sacrificing reliability. The aftermarket support for the M42 is excellent, with companies like Ireland Engineering and Turner Motorsport offering everything from performance chips to complete engine rebuild kits. The engine loves to rev and has a surprisingly aggressive sound when modified. Turbo kits are available for those wanting serious power, and the strong bottom end can handle significant boost with proper supporting modifications. What makes the M42 special is its simplicity and character. No variable valve timing, no complex electronics, just a straightforward DOHC design that's easy to work on and modify. The lightweight design makes these models incredibly balanced and fun to drive, especially with suspension modifications. For someone looking to build a track car or learn about BMW engines, the M42 is an ideal starting point that won't break the bank. These engines are becoming increasingly rare, so values are starting to climb as enthusiasts discover their potential. Number 3. N55 3-liter twin-scroll turbo inline-6, 2009 to 2018. The N55 is BMW's refined successor to the problematic N54, and it's a significantly more reliable engine that gets overshadowed by its predecessor's reputation. This single twin-scroll turbo engine produces around 300 horsepower and powered cars like the F3335i, F22-235i, and various X-Drive models. The N55 fixed most of the N54's issues while maintaining the performance potential, making it one of the best turbocharged engines BMW has ever produced. BMW learned from the N54's problems and redesigned the N55 from the ground up. The single twin-scroll turbo eliminates the complexity of twin turbos while providing better low-end torque. The high-pressure fuel pump was completely redesigned to eliminate the failures that plagued the N54. The direct injection system replaced 6 problematic piezo injectors with more reliable solenoid ones. Still 6 total, but dramatically improving reliability and reducing maintenance costs. You can find F3335i models with the N55 starting around $12,000 to $16,000, which is remarkable value for a 300 horsepower BMW. The N55 eliminated the N54's problematic high-pressure fuel pump issues and improved the fuel injection system reliability. When maintained properly with regular oil changes and quality fuel, these engines regularly exceed 200,000 miles without major issues. The tuning potential is excellent, with Stage 1 tunes easily pushing these engines to 400-plus horsepower on the stock turbo. Companies like Berger Motorsports, MHD, and Boot Mod 3 offer proven tuning solutions that transform the N55 into a serious performer. The twin-scroll design provides better low-end torque than the N54's twin turbos while being much more reliable. The stock internals can handle significant power increases with proper tuning and supporting modifications. What makes the N55 special is that it delivers N54 performance with much better reliability. The engine feels more refined than its predecessor, with smoother power delivery and better fuel economy. The turbo spools quickly thanks to the twin-scroll design, and the power delivery feels almost naturally aspirated in its linearity. Parts are becoming more affordable as these cars age, and the aftermarket support is extensive. For someone wanting modern turbocharged BMW performance without the headaches, the N55 is the perfect choice. Number 4. M54 2.5-liter and 3-liter inline-six, 2000 to 2006. The M54 is BMW's naturally aspirated inline-six that bridged the gap between the legendary M50/S52 engines and the modern N52. Available in 2.5-liter and 3-liter variants, these engines produced between 184 and 225 horsepower and powered everything from the E46323i and 330i to the Z3 and Z4. They're incredibly smooth, reliable, and have excellent swap potential that makes them popular with enthusiasts worldwide. The M54 features an aluminum block and head with BMW's double Vanos variable valve timing system. The design is more advanced than the earlier M52, but simpler than the later N52, striking an excellent balance between performance and reliability. The Vanos system on the M54 is much more reliable than earlier versions, and when it does need service, parts are affordable and the job is straightforward for any competent mechanic. E46330i models with the M54 can be found for $6,000 to $10,000, representing some of the best performance value in the BMW world. The M54 is known for its durability, with many examples easily exceeding 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. The engine loves regular oil changes and quality fuel, but it's forgiving of minor neglect in ways that modern engines aren't. The cooling system is the main weak point, but it's well understood and preventable with proactive maintenance. Always inspect cooling system service history carefully. The modification potential is excellent, with a huge aftermarket supporting everything from mild performance upgrades to complete engine builds. Companies like Turner Motorsport, Dinan, and Ireland Engineering offer proven upgrade paths. With intake, exhaust, and tuning, you can easily extract 250-plus horsepower from the 3-liter version while maintaining excellent reliability. The engine responds well to forced induction for those wanting serious power increases. What makes the M54 special is its versatility and character. These engines swap easily into older BMWs, making them incredibly popular for E30 conversions and other projects. The naturally aspirated design means linear power delivery and that classic BMW inline-six sound that modern turbo engines can't replicate. The engine is smooth, refined, and delivers power in a way that feels effortless. For someone who wants classic BMW character without the complexity of modern turbocharged engines, the M54 is the perfect choice. Values are starting to increase as people recognize these engines for the gems they are. Number 5. B48 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, 2015 to present. The B48 is BMW's modern turbocharged 4-cylinder that replaced the problematic N20, and it's a significantly more reliable engine that gets dismissed because it's just a 4-cylinder. This engine produces between 228 and 255 horsepower depending on the application and powers everything from the F22 230i to various X1 and X3 models. It's BMW's most advanced 4-cylinder engine and represents the future of efficient performance. Yet it remains incredibly underrated by enthusiasts. The B48 incorporates BMW's latest technology, including a twin-scroll turbocharger, direct injection, Valvetronic variable valve lift, and double Vanos variable valve timing. The engine features a closed-deck design for strength and uses a timing chain instead of the problematic timing chain setup from the N20. BMW completely redesigned the timing chain system to eliminate the stretch and failure issues that plagued the earlier engine. You can find F22, 230i models with the B48 starting around $15,000 to $20,000, with X1 and X3 examples sometimes dipping to $14,000, which is excellent value for a modern BMW with this level of performance and technology. The B48 fixed the timing chain issues that plague the N20 and features a much more robust design throughout. Early examples are showing excellent long-term reliability, with many approaching 150,000 miles without major issues beyond normal maintenance items. The tuning potential is impressive and still being discovered as these engines age. Stage 1 tunes easily push these engines to 300+ horsepower, and the strong internals can handle significant power increases. Companies like Berger Motorsports and MHD are developing increasingly sophisticated tuning solutions that extract serious performance from the B48. The twin-scroll turbo spools quickly, and the power delivery is smooth and linear throughout the rev range. What makes the B48 special is that it delivers serious performance while maintaining excellent fuel economy and emissions compliance. Despite being a 4-cylinder, it produces more torque than many older 6-cylinder engines and delivers it much lower in the rev range. The engine feels refined and sophisticated, with minimal turbo lag and smooth power delivery. For someone wanting modern BMW performance with the latest technology and excellent efficiency, the B48 is an outstanding choice that's still flying under the radar. As these engines prove their long-term reliability, values will only increase. These 5 BMW engines prove that the best deals aren't always the most obvious ones. While everyone fights over expensive M engines or deals with the headaches of problematic power plants, like the N54, these reliable workhorses are sitting there waiting for smart buyers to discover them. Each of these engines offers something different. The N52 provides naturally aspirated perfection. The M42 delivers old-school simplicity. The N55 offers refined turbo performance. The M54 gives classic BMW character, and the B48 represents modern efficiency with serious potential. The key is understanding what makes each engine special and matching it to your needs and budget. Whether you want naturally aspirated simplicity, modern turbo performance, or serious modification potential, there's an overlooked BMW engine that fits perfectly. These engines have proven themselves in the real world with hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable service. Yet they remain affordable because they don't have the right badges or social media hype. Remember that pricing varies by condition and location, so always inspect service history carefully before buying. Start hunting for these engines now, because word is getting out and prices won't stay this low forever. The smart money is already moving toward these reliable alternatives, and as more people discover their potential, values will only increase. Don't get caught chasing the hype. Focus on proven reliability, real-world performance, and long-term value. These 5 engines represent some of the best automotive bargains available today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.